Intergenerational equity. So you are going to be sick of this phrase between now and the federal government budget in May. Intergenerational equity. So you're going to hear the federal government talk about this day and night. And it's basically going to be the new pivot that we had from the pandemic. And this is their way of easing the community, the Aussie community, into their upcoming tax reform changes as part of this year's budget. Don't get too excited when I say tax reform changes. I'm talking specifically changes to the capital gains tax discount. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you would know that we have a current Senate inquiry on capital gains tax discount and its impact on the housing market and the housing market crisis. So yesterday, the Finance Minister, Katie Gallagher, appeared at the inquiry answering questions, and she stated, and this is the clearest indication we've gotten up until now, she hinted, I should say, that this is going to be rental properties only. So if you are a current investor of ETFs, shares, cryptocurrency, you can breathe a sigh of relief. The federal government is looking at changing the capital gains tax discount to rental properties only. Now, your reminder how this capital gains tax discount works. So this has been the way we calculate capital gains tax since the then Howard government back in 1999 changed it. So if you hold an asset that produces income, think rental properties, think shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and you hold it for more than 12 months. When you sell that asset and make a profit, you will get an automatic discount of 50% on the tax that you need to pay on that asset, the capital gains tax. So what else did they say during that inquiry yesterday? They did state, hinted again, that this will not be retrospective. This is very important. What this means is any current properties, rental properties held, will not actually be impacted by this. So no doubt they will set a start date after the federal government budget in May. Random date they will set could be the start of the next financial year, who knows, but it's not going to be retrospective. Now, another reason that we believe this to be the case is the Labor government, well, they were the opposition at the time, in 2016 and 2019 brought this policy as part of those elections, and it was retrospective as well. So from all indications, this will not be backdated. So we won't impact any current properties that are held. And I'm sure a lot of investors will breathe a sigh of relief with that as well. So that's an important update. Rental properties only, not retrospective. Look out for that phrase, intergenerational equity. If you haven't already done so, hit the follow button for more.